Hey fellow hearts! Today I want to talk about something that you do every day 26,000 times, rounded about, and never think about it. Breathing, my friends.
If it wasn't for the act of breathing, I'd probably be dead right now. No, really, I'd be dead. You can't survive if you don't breathe.
I want to give a shout out to the blog Door of Perception by Ben. Ben does this wonderful t-shirts over here. See? Maybe you're familiar with the logo. Here it says pranayama, or breathing practices. Prana means energy and ayama means control. So pranayama is much more than the translation to practice your breath. It's actually controlling energies. And if that's not something you're interested in, then I really don't know what could possibly excite you. So make yourself comfortable, fellow hearts, and let's breathe together. The basic breath, the basic yogic breath is the ujjayi breathing. And ujjayi breathing is something that we do through our nose, and we press the air through our gorge and produce this sound. When you breathe out, this is actually very close to snoring. So if you want to try it and you are not used to it, think about snoring while you exhale and just produce this sound. So this is ujjayi breathing. You want to breathe into your belly first, then into your chest and shoulders. You want to fill your torso with the air. Just imagine it like being some kind of fluid that fills you more and more. If you are one of those who would like to do yoga, then actually you need to learn that before you do anything else. Don't even start the asanas or poses before you started controlling your breath, because yoga is not a workout. It is a technique to control energies more than it is some kind of sports. So, when you do ujjayi breathing, you want to suck your navel to your spine. So you suck your belly in while you do it, or you just engage your core muscles. This is how you produce a lot of energy by breathing that way. But if you want to produce even more energy, bear with me, here are the other techniques. Let's start with Anuloma Viloma, which will even out your energies. And I told you before that how everything on your left side is connected to your right brain, and everything on your right side is connected to your left brain. The same goes for your nostrils. Most people don't even know that most of the time you only use one of your nostrils when you breathe. In the daytime, you're mainly breathing through your right nostril connected to the left side of your brain, your logical brain that you need in the daytime. But in nighttime, when your right brain is producing some crazy dreams, you're mostly breathing through your left nostril. So you want to even that out and have the benefits from both nostrils. Okay, in our Western world, those are just called your left nostril and your right nostril, and they are just for breathing, right? But in ancient knowledge in the yogic philosophy, the left nostril is called Ida, the right one is called Pingala, and both are nadis. Nadis are much more than just some random spots in your body. They are connected through Sushumna, which is the energy channel inside of your body. And you can activate all those nadis through your breath. So this is why we are learning it today. All right. When we do Anuloma Viloma, for we are doing it in the daytime, we want to start and end with our left nostril, our right brain. Make a thumb, put out your thumb and your pinky finger and place them on your nose. You start by breathing through your left nostril. So breathe in, then place your chin on your chest and suck your belly in. Hold it, then breathe out through the right nostril. Breathe in through the right nostril. Pingala. Hold it, chin on chest, navel to your spine. Then let go by breathing out through the right. Whoopsie, left side of course, Ida. And so on and so on. Do it for as long as you like, but always start with the left nostril and end with the left nostril. That is the most important thing. Next is Kapalabhati. We do Ujjayi breathing first. Through our nose, you remember. Take a deep breath and then just concentrate on breathing out in a staccato way without breathing in, but you will breathe in passively. But just don't think about breathing in. You will see it will come just naturally. With every out breath, there will come an inhale short ahead. So let's start. Take in some air. Prana, Pana, Sushmana, Hari, 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 Hari. You engage your muscles. You like kick this air outside your chest. And from that, it will naturally inhale also. Those were the most famous pranayamas there are. But now, as a bonus, I would like to show you my personal favorite pranayama. Oh, it's such a beautiful day. So, fellow hearts, if you should be in need of some crazy energy booster, and if you feel like me around this time of the year, then you definitely are, then you should try this one, my friends. But first, please take a look at how beautiful the weather is today. So now let me show you the technique. So you want to place your hands on your knees. Stand on hip-wide feet. And you place your hands on your thighs. And for the rest, I come down. You are breathing in. Breathing out. And when there's really nothing more in your belly, no more breath, then you suck in your belly like crazy. You suck your navel to your spine and hold it there for as long as you are comfortable, which won't be long in the beginning, I tell you. Before you breathe in again, you want to let go of your belly. So you let it go. And then you breathe in. Breathe in fully, as much air as you can get into your little body. Breathe it in fully. Breathe it out fully. And when there's no air in your belly anymore, suck your belly to your spine. Hold it for as long as possible. So, how long can you hold your belly? It is more important that you let go of it before you start breathing in again. So, don't hold it till the last point when you can't hold it for any longer, because if you're doing it like that, then you won't keep yourself from breathing in while you let go of your belly, and this is not what you want to do. Just start becoming aware of your breath. I mean, like, really aware. Not only be aware of that you are breathing and how you are doing it, not only doing pranayama and all those things, start thinking about your breath as being something like the World Wide Web, only better. Because it is like Wi-Fi, it is some kind of invisible net that is webbing itself all around the planet. It's a procedure that we as a planet do all together. The plants depend on us breathing out, and we depend on them transforming that into something that we can breathe in again. Maybe you've got other ideas about breath. Then tell me in the comments. Whatever you may be thinking, for it is your reality, just start being aware of this life force. Become one with it, play with it, and think about it. Just start thinking about it. Because most of us just never do. Just start becoming aware of the way your body provides you all the time, so that you don't even had to think about it until this day. So that is it for today. Make yourself comfortable and breathe consciously. Namaste.